People, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're gonna compare those two money sending apps. And there are a lot of money sending apps, and we want to help you to make your choice. Well, first, a little bit an introduction, and Remitly and PayPal are both choices for sending and receiving money, of course, internationally and nationally. In this review, we will compare these two services in terms of their features, fees, ease of use, and overall performance to help you decide what suits the best for your specific money transfer needs. Well, we start off with Remitly, guys. Remitly, the features, fast transfers. Remitly offers both express and economy options, allowing you to choose between speed and cost effectiveness. Multiple payout options. You can send money directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, or for cash pickup, depending on your receipt's locations. Transparency. Remitly provides real-time exchange rates and transparent fees structures, so that's very clear, ensuring you know exactly how much you'll pay and how much your recipient will receive. The pros, well, some pros of Remitly, and we have some cons of Remitly. The pros. Competitive exchange rates. Remitly often offers better exchange rates compared to traditional banks, of course, resulting in more money for your recipient. 2. User-friendly. The platform is straightforward to use, making it accessible to both tech-savvy and less tech-savvy users. Specialized services. Remitly caters to specific corridors and regions, offering tailored services for different countries. So you often see in Africa Remitly users, for example. So cons. Limited global reach. Remitly services is available for select countries and corridors, so it may not cover all international transfer needs. And that's the problem with a lot of money apps, guys. Well, we go to PayPal. PayPal Features and global reach. PayPal is widely accepted and can be used for both domestic and international money transfers. Multiple funding options. You can link your PayPal account to bank account, credit card, or debit card. Currency conversion. PayPal can automatically convert funds into your recipient's currency. So that's nice. Some pros of PayPal. Versatility. PayPal serves as both a money transfer service and popular payment method for online purchases. Broad acceptance. Many businesses and individuals worldwide use PayPal, making it easy for recipients to access their funds. And security is the last pro. PayPal offers robust security measures to protect your transactions. Well, there are some cons. PayPal uses higher fees. PayPal's fees for international money transfers can be higher than those of dedicated remittance services. Variable exchange rates. PayPal exchange rates may not always be as favorable as those offered by specialized remittance providers. Well, now, most important part of this video, the conclusion. Both Remitly and PayPal offers unique advantage for international money transfers, and your choice should depend on your specific needs. Remitly excels in providing competitive rates and transparent fees, making an excellent option for targeted corridors. On the other hand, PayPal's versatility and global acceptance make it convenient for various financial transactions beyond money transfers. However, it may come slightly higher fees. Consider factors such as countries you need to send money to, the desired speed of transfers, and your preferred level of convenience when deciding between Remitly and PayPal. Ultimately, the choice should align with your individual requirements and priorities for international money transfers. So I hope you make your choice based on this tutorial and this review, and I hope to see you soon. Give some thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.